July the 1st, 2022, the Tour de France will start in Copenhagen, Denmark for the first time. Are the Danish cycling fans ready? We decided to give a selected few a surprise quiz with the help of Tour winner Andy Schleck and our trusted Skoda Enyaq iV director's car.
I need the flag back. And I need you in the car.
Andy will give each guest a series of multiple choice questions to test their cycling knowledge. It's their chance to win some amazing prizes.
You know what car we're in?
Race director's car.
Race director's car. So without this car, there's no Tour de France.
No.
Is a bidon a French term for water bottle? Is it a French term for bidet? Or is it a French term for heat waiter?
Bidon.
So this would just be a guess, okay? I don't know.
I think it's
The word on word, let's go for option 2. It's a bidet.
It's a bidet.
I will go with the first one, the French term for water bottle.
Yeah, that's right. It's a water bottle which you use on the bike and bidon. Who was your favorite rider in 2010 in the Palais?
It was Roberto Contador.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Really?
Yeah.
Can you pull out to the right, please?
I believe I've seen Skoda logos on it quite a few times.
I'm gonna say Skoda.
I think it's Skoda.
Good answers, all of them actually.
It's Skoda.
It's Skoda. Exactly.
Modric, he plays something else, right?
I don't know any of them.
Okay.
Pogacar.
You want a glass of champagne?
Oh yes, please.
Cheers to having the Grand Depart.
Cheers. And
Cheers.
thanks for coming.
It's Tadej Pogacar.
Tadej Pogacar.
Tadej Pogacar. Pogacar.
Skål.
Skål.
The obvious answer would be you. This is the trick question.
Is it you?
It's you, Andy Schleck.
Are you sure?
I think so.
And it's you, right?
Should we log it?
I just gotta give you some respect as well, right?
I would say you.
It's correct. How did you like the car?
I liked it. It's very nice.
How did you like the quiz? Too easy for you, huh?
It looks like the citizens of Copenhagen are well prepared for the tour. Are you? See you on July the 1st, 2022 at the Copenhagen Prologue.